Do you want to know how you can create an avatar video on your v.io? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create an avatar video in v.io. Go ahead and open v.io, log into your account. This workspace will open up. You can see create avatar video here. Go ahead and click on it and it will lead you to a separate page. You can see that you can choose your avatar, which is over here, and some of the other settings such as voiceover and all. So you can go ahead and click on any of these, or you can create your own custom avatar, but you need to upgrade for Veed Pro. So just go ahead and use the free one. Let's go ahead and choose this girl over here. Her name is Lily, so you can write the script over here. After you write down the script, you can also do voiceover, and you can voiceover in front of her voice as well. But you wouldn't want to do that. We can make her a script and she will read it for us. You can also choose the language over here. So now it is chosen English. You can change it to any of these which are available and she will speak on this language. So all we need to do now is write the script. So let me write a script. So after we write the script, go ahead and click add to project. In a while, you can see that the project has been requesting, the voice has been generating, and you can see there are 3 steps. So after these 3 steps are completed, we can see that our avatar video will be created. We must keep some patience because it is AI generated after all, and it might take some time accordingly. After that, your avatar video will be created. I hope this video about how you can create or generate an avatar video on v.io was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.